This is Alan for Alan Rebel, and today I bring my project. It's a 2014 Toyota Rav4 XLE 4-wheel drive. 2014 Toyota Rav4 XLE 4-wheel drive from Copart. All the damage is on the left side, driver's side. There's all the damage here. The back door, the front door. All the damage here in the front door, front side, back door, and the front door. The fender, the suspension damage. I want to change the whole suspension. The whole suspension I want to change. Fender, control arm. Also, we ordered the A pillar. We're replacing the A pillar. I think you have to pull it first and replace it from the dealer. New brand from the dealer is coming Monday. Check it and start now and see it start. Come on, start, man. Yep, start. 56,000 miles. Yes, and navigation. Seatbelt, everything. Seatbelt working good. Everything works. Seatbelt don't blow. Yeah, bar don't blow. Nice. I like that one. None of the seatbelt them bust. Yeah, bar don't bust in this inside. Good. Navigation, everything nice, everything nice. Oh, nothing blow, no airbag, no roof airbag, nothing blow. Nice. Seat airbag, everything nice, everything working good, no bust, nothing blow. Engine sound good. Oh yeah, engine sound good, boy. Ay. That's it, man. That's what I want. Engine sound very good. Oh yeah. Yes. This side is perfectly. The right side, no damage on the right side. Everything nice on the right side. And the front bumper, no damage in the bumper, no frame damage in the front, nothing, no frame damage, nothing. Hey. Yes, no frame damage. Check the car. Door to change, and the back door I want to change the skin. Let's change the skin, and the back door is good. It close good, everything close good. I just want to change the skin here and get a new front door. this mirror good. Mirror was working good. Let's replace it though and change the skin on this one. This one there. So this is my another car. This is Cadillac. I bought in Copart like 3 months ago. CTS V supercharged. I bought it like 3 months ago from Copart when I was in got a YouTube channel. This one 2015 on 2015 Cadillac CTS V supercharged 2015. I will make a next video I'll make about this car. The battery dead, so I had to charge the battery. Parked for 3 months. Supercharged. This another one. This another CTS V 4-door. This is coupe. This is sedan. All this car I buy from Copart. This 2 Mini for Copart. I bought it when I wasn't got my channels. I wasn't thinking about no channel, YouTube channel. I buy this car then. Before I got my YouTube channel. I'm a dealer. Buy cars and sell and repair. So I want to call this channel. So subscribe to my channel, like my channel video, and stay tuned because a lot coming to my channel. And next video we want to start stripping the parts, order the parts, and start repairing. So, and excuse me my language or you cannot hear me so good. So this is my first video and I kind of nervous. This is my second video. And I kind of nervous, so I think I even shit in my pants. So sorry for the thing. So just bear with me, and the more videos I do, the more video I want to do, I'm gonna get perfect and better and better. This is my second video and I kind of nervous, so I don't know you can hear me or you can hear me clearly, but thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe and like my channel. Got a lot of things coming to my channel. This car, this CD, this CTS V supercharged turbo. Next I want to show you how much when it was repaired, when it damaged, and after, and how much I spent to repair it. The Mini, I want to show you the before and after, and how it stay. All of this is the car. All of them I buy from Copart. Thanks to watching my video, and take care. Peace.